paperwork. Then you forged my name, man. Let me show them again. I wish one of my teachers was on live.
And for that girl backstage, make it publicly clear. Never mind who you thought I was. I'm Rick James, bitch.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Y'all can call Mark Zuckerberg and try to take my live. I know that's what y'all finna do tomorrow. Y'all finna call Zuckerberg, try to get my live took. But Zuckerberg, I'm just speaking the real, dog. If somebody took money from you like that, you'll be on here too. So I hope Zuckerberg and Adam ignore the shit out y'all. Because that's what they finna do, call them. Because I'm going at y'all every day, dog. Bro, I'm going at y'all every day, bro, till y'all give me some money, bro. Real shit, bro. Pay me my money, bro. Y'all waited till I got shot to do that shit, bro. Y'all waited till I couldn't fucking move. Come on, bro. Y'all waited till I got shot, bro. So I couldn't make it up there to sign no paperwork. Then you forged my name, man. Let me show them again. I wish one of my teachers was on live. I wish one of my teachers was on live. It's not my signature. Look at it. Look at it. Does that something look like some Boosie, right? Do that look like some Boosie, right, bro? Y'all waited till I got shot, bro. Y'all wanted them to hit me in the head. Then we wouldn't be this far. Come on, man. That ain't Boosie handwriting, buddy. Anybody got my handwriting when I wrote him from jail? It's not forensic scientists. They already checked my handwriting, bro. Say, Boosie, that's not your handwriting. That's a forge. I've been forged, man. What the fuck I look like giving y'all my orders? The gold in the mine. He's the gold. He's the treasure. What I'm gonna give him up for? It's on me. That's on. Okay, it's on me. It's on me. I'm finna calm my stupid down. That's what I'm finna do. I need to calm my stupid down. Let get me out my. Got me stuck. Got me stuck. Nigga, text me 5-5. When I say paperwork coming, now you won't. Oh, boy. Nigga, don't keep it real, dog. Don't keep it real, dog. Even Blue say pay the man, bro. Even Blue say pay him, man. You still don't want payment. It's I'm on your ass now. I ain't letting up. We go to trial, the judge might give me times 3. I ain't letting up now. Y'all got me up. It's up. Every day you finna hear this mouth. Only thing gonna shut this up is a $1 bill. I ain't finna let up, dog.
This is Oh, you still got another call?
Man, I need one call. Why I don't never get no wild? I think that's how they dealing them. Every time somebody get three wilds. You saw that?
We dealing it.
All I need is a 2, nigga. I'm gone, nigga. I'm gonna show you, nigga. I'll give you. Pay the man, bro. She gone?
No, baby. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
7. I'm on 8.
Okay.
I'm on 9.
Finally.
I was almost there.
See, you're making me lose. See, you're making me lose. I'm on your ass now. I'm on your ass now. You're making me lose.
I was trying to be funny, sweet. Fight for you, sweet.
Pay me, man, bro. It's don't, bro. Everybody, bro, I was dead wrong, bro. Waited till I was shot, bro. Come on, man. Pay me, dog. Pay me my shit, bro. Pay me my shit, bro. God, bro, like, I don't. You sign AF, I don't with them pop. Straight up. If they did it to me, nigga, they done took about 10 million from me. What they gonna do to y'all? Pay me my money, bro. Like, you know, forge my signature. Waited till I got shot up. Ignored my text. Ignored my text for 5 months. Then when I say paperwork coming, you won't talk? Come on, bro. I was trying to be a businessman. I was trying to be a businessman, bro. We was in business together. It shows we was in business together. Look, before this happened, look what we talking about. This before, a month before this happened, look what we talking about. I'm asking you, let me know when the wire is sent. We in business. Let me know when the wire is sent. Look what you hit back with right here. We're in business. You want me to try and get your name changed on Instagram? You're trying to help me. We were in business. That was February 3rd. February 21st. You hit back with that. Now this is March 30th. A month and 2 weeks after. What I text you? When is the album from BLEU coming? I gotta get paid. I'm CEO. So we need to have a sit down about the numbers ASAP. Every time you text me right back, right? I text you March 30th. I text you again July, you never responded. I text you again July 23rd. 5 months later, what I say? I text you March 30th about a sit down about this album, guys, bro. You ignored me. Now I'm taking all parties involved will be receiving paperwork. If not first thing Monday, Tuesday. It's just business. Now you respond right back. Now you respond back. 5 months later, after I say paperwork coming, you thought I was too gangster, man. You thought I was too gangster, man, to go get a lawyer to file for my money. That's what it was. 5 months later. 5 months later, you hit back. Pay me, bro. You know you over me, everybody. Pay me, man.
It's all with that bitch on the side. It's on me. Yep. Water. Jump in the water. Oh. What you call?
God don't like ugly. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all, bro. Ain't gotta do that. Making all that money. Empire, y'all making all that money. all them artists y'all got. You ain't gotta take from nobody, bro. You ain't gotta take nobody money, man. Come on, man. You ain't gotta do that shit, bro. You ain't gotta do that shit, bro.
Me. I play this. Play the one.
It's on me? It's on me? Yeah. Man.
This is an in-house production.
Pay me my money, bro. Like, bro, it's sad, bro. It's sad, bro. It's sad, bro. That's sad, bro. Wait till nigga get shot. You wait, that's sad, bro. All them fucking artists y'all got at Empire. All them artists y'all got. Come on, bro. You ain't gotta take nobody money, man. You ain't gotta play no like that, man. Come on, you ain't gotta do it. You ain't independent. You ain't gotta do that, bro. You ain't gotta do that shit, man. Come on, man. Everybody that made money. Your mine still. Oh yeah, it's mine. It's still. I'm gonna tell you, it's up now. Every day. You gonna say, Boosie, man, hey, every day, it's mine still. I'm finna start some shit. I've been quiet long enough because I thought I was gonna get some money. I'm like, I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm gonna get some money. Everybody gonna do the right thing. They gonna look out. You know, we gonna get past this, keep going, and make money. No. 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 Y'all gonna hear me every day now, bro. I just had to pay the lawyer another $100,000, nigga. You finna hear this mouth. Boy, you finna hear this mouth. Boy, I just had to pay that lawyer another $100,000. Boy, you finna hear this mouth every day.
Run them down. Run them down.
Needed to.
They finna hear my mouth every day. I ain't lying, dog. They finna hear my mouth every day, bro. They finna hear my mouth every day. Real shit. If you're a Boosie fan, do not support nothing they got going on over there, bro. Yeah, Universal got some of my money too. Yeah. I ain't dropping no money. I want my money, man. Everybody got my money.